All right, it has arrived. Randy for scale.
Yeah.
You gonna come a little bit closer? All right, that is the size of that thing.
At my knee.
It is at your knee. All right, you want to open it up?
All right, so we did cut the tape on it. I was expecting this to be, I don't know, a quarter of this size.
Cardboard. Yes.
They even stand.
There's official Avengers Infinity Gauntlet Life-Size Collectible Styrofoam.
Just to make sure it's official.
Just to make sure it's official.
Oh, Jesus. Holy! It's absurd.
What? Wow. I don't know where to start. Go ahead and get it on that.
Go ahead and get it on that.
Sure. Wow. How heavy is it?
It's not light.
I don't think Thanos would have the plastic. Would you like scissors? You're just gonna go to town. I don't want to pull. There's tape on it. Hold up. It also came wrapped in plastic. The whole box. Oh, okay. Never mind. All right then.
Oh my God, it's not light.
Can I see a little bit more inside? Does anything articulate?
Dear God, no. This is a solid piece.
Look at that. Can you turn it around?
I haven't even seen it.
That is ridiculous.
That is ridiculous.
Wow.
And then there's the stand that comes with it.
That is the stand that comes with it. Do you want to... We don't have a table at the moment to put down on. Do you want to put it down on this?
I was going to set it down.
Okay. Let's see the inside.
So the inside...
Oh, you can grab it.
Yeah, that's the only way I've been able to do any of this.
Does it light up?
Yeah, I'm imagining that there is a way to plug this into the base. And then the base, I assume, plugs into an outlet. And then the outlet plugs into a power station. The power station does whatever it does. Oh my God, it's heavy as...
All right, well, we're going to pull it out and light it up. Okay, please forgive the mess. We have like 3 different projects happening at the same time right now. But this is the gauntlet. My hand for scale. Yeah. So it's crazy and huge, and it does something super duper fun. You want to turn it on, baby? Yeah. And
And?
you can have a rave. Go to the other side.
Okay.
All the way over. It's
More twinkling than unts.
Hey, it can be whatever it wants to be. What do you think?
Pretty damn cool. It's pretty damn absurd.
And I held that thing. It weighs as much as a fairly large child. So, we're pretty sure this table can hold it. We hope, temporarily. for now. You happy?